I purposely stopped the video in our last vlog because I needed to get her quietly, and it actually got her. But I needed to be quiet, and I didn't want to leave her. And she was just a papa. A minute ago she was like pulling. Yeah, we're gonna go on there in a minute. A minute ago she was just crazy pulling, guys. This girl is a pull box sometimes. Like a minute ago she was like at this date where she wanted to lick your hand. Do you want to lick my hand? I wash my hands, by the way. There's no cinnamon left. Now would be the point where I would play with her, but she's way too hyper for me to play. She seriously just went back into my mom's room and stopped pulling, and she's way too calm for me to play. So I'm gonna play in the car. So now I'm gonna play with her. So this is part 2. I'm sorry, you guys. I randomly paused it at part 1. That's because I need to be quiet in my mom and dad's room. So I paused it because they said Brooklyn, and I needed to pause, and I paused it right before, and they said take Booty downstairs, and I said sure, okay. And this demonstration is hyper now, so we're gonna play. Okay, I'm gonna go get her toy with her. Let's go get your toy. She's hyper. Let's go. Where's your toy? Let's find a ball. She's like way too hyper right now, guys. So she's like very hyper. Come here. She likes to play with this. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna tie you up. Okay, let's play. Come here. She's playing with the sides. She likes to play with the sides. Do you know which side to go for? I'm gonna give her a toy. She's hyper right now, guys. Like, her eyes are so thin right now. Okay, Cutie, choose a side. Okay, guys, she's too lazy to play. Oh, well, Motion, you're too lazy. She sees the toy, but she doesn't want to play with it. Okay, guys, so we are gonna read a book together. Do you want to read a book with? I am her mother, by the way. Do you want to read a book with Mama? Okay, we're gonna pause the video and read a book. I will see you guys in a couple minutes. Bye. Guys, she's so hyper right now. Like, she's crazy. She's mad at me. I think she's mad at me. We're on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. Of course I put you on YouTube. Well, guys, the rest of the day I would usually be sitting down with her, either reading a book or lying on my couch, watching a video of her, and she's nuts. So that's it for today's video, and we're gonna do a cute little montage of the kitty. Let's go. Guys, she's so crazy. What happened to you? I'm gonna go fill up her food and water bowl because they're empty. And my little sister always here to take over the vlog. So I need her food bowl is empty. Hold on! She's nuts. So always here to take over the vlog with Fuji. She's gonna show you what she likes to do in the morning. Because I need to go fill up the food and water bowl because it's empty. So you show them here. So always gonna show you guys what she does while I go fill. I need to go fill up the food bowl, okay? You know what? Be back in a minute, go. She's done. TV. Nice to be cake. Now, do you get to come?
the whole
And
time.
tomorrow I will be doing a morning routine. Aubrey, you can let her go.
Tomorrow morning and team tomorrow.
Yeah, we all gonna. No, actually, later on today we're gonna do a morning. Like later on tonight, we're gonna do a nighttime routine. And maybe tomorrow we'll do a morning routine because tomorrow's our last day on vacation. And I will see you guys next week's video. She's crazy, so we gotta let her go. Let her go, Aubrey. She's nuts. She's gone nuts, guys. So we're gonna let her go, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, awesome day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I'll just see you guys later because I'm filming another video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So.